This video will go over use and care of the micro adjust clamps from Park Tool. These include the 103D, 105D, and 125D repair clamps. The 105D is made to fit the head of the PCS4 and other stands using this 939C composite top tube. The 125D fits the head of the PRS-25 and PRS-26 stands. The 103D fits in Park Tool shop stands and is interchangeable with shop clamps such as the 103C. Notice part number 1951, the small tube protruding from the 103D clamp has internal threads. These threads are for the extension bolt, part number 1949, which should be installed and secured. The bolt acts as a safety catch should the user not notice the clamp has worked its way out of the top tube. The head of the bolt catches inside the top tube and prevents the clamp from falling on the ground. Micro adjust clamps use a handle to turn the clamp screw and apply pressure. Proper use of micro adjust clamps requires the clamp to start loose with the handle flipped back. Install the bike in the jaws and flip the handle forward. Use the clamp handle to adjust pressure as needed. To remove the bike, loosen the clamp handle a turn and flip the cam lever. The clamp can be rotated and adjusted for use on either side of the bike in the stand, depending on preference and space. The jaw covers are replaceable with the part number 1960 cover set. To install new covers, remove the old covers from the clamp. Fit a new cover on each side. The side having a relief faces the inside. Grabbing a small tube with the clamp will help set the cover in place. Even a pedal wrench handle will work. Install clips on each cover stud. There may be either an E-clip style or this internal tooth style. For the E-clip, use needle nose pliers to install. For the internal tooth style, first place the clip over the stud. Push the clip straight down using a socket, such as the ST3. The micro adjust clamp also has a saddle cradle, part number 1956, on the clamp body for hanging a bike. This cover is replaceable. Begin by removing the two small screws. Next, remove the E-clip from the body pin. Pull out the pin and remove the old pad. Install a new pad and reinstall the pin and E-clip. Now reinstall the two smaller screws. To keep the clamp operating smoothly, apply some grease to the threads of the bolt and under the handle washers. Also lightly grease the plates under the handle. Put a drop of light lubricant, such as CL1, at the handle and clamp screw interface. Check that the handle bolt, part number 1964, is secure. If it was loose, some thread locker is a good idea. Double check that the spinner knob bolt, part number 1968, is snug and secure. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoy using micro adjust clamps from Park Tool.